In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Dext to Xero and QuickBooks for seamless, accurate data sync so you can automate your workflow and say goodbye to manual data entry. Now, this video is part of our Dext AI tutorial series where we help you streamline your bookkeeping using powerful automation tools. If you've been following along, you already know how game-changing Dext can be, and this step is everything comes together. Before we begin, make sure to check out our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. Before we begin, make sure to check out our affiliate link in the video description to get started and have your QuickBooks and Xero accounts ready so you can follow along. Let's begin by going to the top right corner where you can see the Add Client. Now let's move on to adding a client inside the platform. You would notice that you need to select the solution that best fits your client's need. You have the business client, which is ideal for incorporated businesses, companies, or organizations that require full financial tracking and reporting. And of course, the self-employed client, you can choose this option for freelancers, sole traders, or individuals managing their own income and expenses. So in my case, I am going to choose the second option, click the continue button, and then you need to provide all of the information until confirmation, okay? And follow the on-screen instructions. Once the new account has been added, scroll down until you find it, which is going to be this one. I want you to click on that, and then you will be forwarded to the mini dashboard. And for us to connect Xero and QuickBooks to Dext, I want you to scroll down until you find the business settings right at the bottom left corner. Click the gear icon, click the connections. This is where the magic happens. Inside the integrations or connections area, you will see options to accounting platforms such as Xero, QuickBooks, Sage, Cash Flow, Free Agent, plus more. Choose the one you're currently using for your business. In our case, that's going to be Xero and QuickBooks. So if you click the connect button, you will be forwarded here. So this is going to be your perfect opportunity to connect to the integrations that you wanted. Let's start with the Xero for now. I want you to click the connect button. All right, so let's get your Dext account connected to Xero so you can start automating your bookkeeping and cut down on manual work. Now, from here, all I have to do is grant access by selecting the correct organization. If you click the Connect software, this allows Dext to publish your data directly into Xero, saving you tons of time on manual entry. Of course, you need to allow access, and just like that, you are now connected. Okay, you want to make sure that you chose the right organization and click the Next button. Now from here, you can start publishing your receipts and invoices straight into Xero and seriously streamline your workflow. After that, we're going to go to the next platform, which is QuickBooks. Similar to the process earlier when connecting Xero, click the connect button. You will be forwarded to the available integrations. And of course, we're going to choose QuickBooks Online for now. Again, at this point, you want to make sure that your QuickBooks Online account is ready, because if you click the connect button, you will be forwarded to another page wherein you are required to log into your QuickBooks account and allow access from Dext to your QuickBooks. Choose the company or firm, okay? And read the terms and conditions. By selecting connect, you agree that you share your QuickBooks Online data with Dext. And all I have to do at this point is click the connect button. And as you can see, both our Xero and QuickBooks account has been successfully connected. Now, before we fully streamline our bookkeeping automation and achieve that perfect sync data, we need to take a moment to control and manage a few important settings. Okay, so this step is crucial for both QuickBooks and of course Xero. All I have to do is go to the Manage drop-down menu. I want you to go to the Settings. Here, you can choose from any of the following options, all right? If you want to default publish to destination forecast, you can choose from cash, check, credit card bill, credit note, and credit card credit. Now for the default item type of a sales, you can choose from sales invoice, sales credit note until dental system or statement, you can do so. If you want to warn you when creating a new supplier, you can do that. You can check with the yes. Or if you want to check the yes button for strict purchase order matching, you can do that as well. Until publish item images. And you can hover down below here. Okay, tax. And the most important part is the automatic publishing, so you can perfectly sync your data with QuickBooks to your Dext account. If you want to auto-publish all items, you can click the yes button. All right, you want to make sure that you are sure, and you can set up supplier rules later on if you wanted to. And you can check as many items as you want for the items exceptions. Okay. Remember, these settings will override the auto-publish settings from suppliers list payments and approval settings. All right. Once you've done that, we go back to our Xero and we will do the same thing. Okay, go to manage, go to settings, and similar to what we have done earlier, you can check as many as you can and choose the right options for all of these drop-down menus. Remember, you can allow Dext to decide with exceptions, but I am allowing Xero to calculate. And then at the bottom right here, I'm going to click the yes button. And for the automatic publishing, I would say yes. And check all of these sections here. Once I've done that, go back again to the main homepage, because the moment you connect Dext to Xero, you're essentially automating your data flow. Dext captures and extracts data from receipts, invoices, and bank statements that sends that information directly into Xero, fully organized and ready to reconcile. No more double entry, no more messy spreadsheets. Okay, instead of you manually typing out every transactions, Dext automatically reads and processes your documents using AI. That means what used to take hours now takes in minutes. Manual data entry always comes with risk because it has typos, missing numbers, and incorrect categories. With Dext, data is extracted using smart automation, reducing human error significantly before it even reaches Xero. It goes a long way with QuickBooks as well, because when you connect QuickBooks to Dext, your receipts, invoices, and expenses are automatically extracted using the OCR technology and sent straight into your accounting system. That means no more typing data manually, few human errors, faster processing time. You simply upload or snap a photo and Dext handles the rest for you. Okay, so you have a real-time synchronization. Once you're connected, your data flows seamlessly between Dext and QuickBooks, ensuring your books are always up to date, no duplicate entries, better financial visibility at all times, which is useful for business owners who want instant access to accurate numbers. And with that being said, all right, that wraps up our walkthrough on connecting Dext to Xero and QuickBooks for perfect sync data. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with Dext. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.